Android Studio. 7. Create an interactive dice roller app. Create an empty activity project. Name the app Dice Roller. Open the layout editor. In the project window, double-click activity_main.ml to open it. In this task, you will add a button below the Hello World text view. Text view and button are inside the same constraint layout, which is a kind of view group. In your app, text view and button will be considered children of the parent constraint layout. Add a button to the layout. 1. Drag the button from the palette to the design view, and place it below the Hello World text view. 2. In the component tree below the palette, verify that button and text view are listed under constraint layout, as children of constraint layout. Position the button. 1. In design view, press and hold the white circle with the blue border. Drag the pointer and the arrow will follow the pointer. Released when the pointer reaches the bottom edge of the Hello World text view. 2. In the constraint widget, you will see a new layout constraint set for the bottom of the text view, namely top to bottom of text view, 0 dp. 0 dp means the margins are 0. You also get a missing horizontal constraint error. 3. Add a horizontal constraint from the left and right side of the button to the left side of the and rigged parent constraint layout. Change button text. 1. In the layout editor, with the button selected, go to Attributes, change the text to Roll, and press Enter. In the component tree, an orange warning triangle appears next to the button. If you hover the pointer over the triangle, the system displays a message. Android Studio detected a hard-coded string, roll, in your application code, and suggests using string resources instead. 2. In the component tree, click the orange triangle. A full warning message opens. At the bottom of the message, click the Fix button under Suggested Fix. The Extract Resource dialog opens. To extract strings, you need to use the roll text, and create a string resource called rollinstrings.xml. Note that in Attributes, the button's text attribute now shows at string/roll. In Design View, the button will still show roll. Style the text view. 1. In the Design Editor, select the text view so that its attributes appear in the Attributes window. Change the text size of the text view to 32 sp to make it large enough for the user to read. 2. Clear the text property of the text view. You don't need to display anything in the text view until the user rolls the dice. To do this, you can add text to the text view, which is only displayed in the layout preview, not when the app is running. 3. Select Text View in Component Tree. Under Common Attributes, find the Text attribute. Below it shows another text property with a tool icon. The text property is what is displayed to the user when the app runs. The text property with tool icons is the tool's text property for developers. 4. Set tool's text to 1 in the text view, to assume you rolled the dice with a 1. The 1 will only show in Android Studio's design editor, but it doesn't show up when running the app on an actual device or emulator. See your app in preview. The system will display 1. Run your application. The system does not display 1. The behavior is correct.